Guess what? Guess what's on the way?
Yeah, 2650 is going.
Yes.
Hey, we have a
That's right.
surprise coming. We won't tell them what it is till it gets here.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise. Yeah. So we just stay here and we wait.
Well, you can stay out there. I'm going to wait in here.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
Cold it is, damp.
Yeah.
See if we can get a sneak peek here. Super cool. Anybody guess what that is? Gosh, that tractor looks good. It's an L6060. Another tractor that you would fall in love with.
Oh, I know. I fall in love with all of them.
I know.
Good job, buddy. I'm
Actually,
gonna
this
thank-
one. You're 60-60.
That's not your first time.
Delivered
taking
as
one through the
promised.
gate. That's not your first time taking one through the gate.
Merry Christmas.
Wow,
Thank you,
good
buddy.
job.
Merry Christmas, Cat.
Darcy,
Thank you,
this
you
is Darcy
too.
Tucker, the manager of Newfoundland Kubota Limited. You can introduce your buddy.
This is Larry Mailman. He's our regional sales manager from Kubota, Canada, for Atlantic
Hi.
Canada.
Yeah, so just imagine. I got two big cheesies here
Ah.
today.
Oh, you do.
Way to come see the new garage.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
You just get to see it before anybody else does.
Oh,
Yeah,
excellent.
that's right. You're getting the first
I
visit.
only showed a little bit of it on Facebook.
Saw a couple of pictures.
Yeah,
Looks nice.
just a teaser. So,
The teaser.
Seems to be a lot of
yeah.
hype.
you can
lot of
pause
promise.
that now. Brilliant.
2650 going bye-bye. Wow, that's a big one.
Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful.
Hey, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. There's no doubt about it. Hey, any 6060 owners out there? What would you think of a double step?
Well,
Little teaser.
you know what they think. I
Nice.
gotta have it.
A nice double step.
That's right.
I see a lot of mods on this one.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I'm telling
It is,
you.
isn't it?
It is really something. It's
Incredible.
really, really nice tractor. Wow. Impressive. What a great bunch of guys, eh? Hey,
Oh,
I
aren't
gotta get
they?
out of the wind. It's really cold here.
Yeah, it is.
It's a lazy wind. It would rather go through you than go around you.
So,
So you got a chance to meet Darcy.
oh, we had a wonderful time.
Yeah, we had a great visit. Really enjoyed it. Told a few jokes, had a few laughs, talked about Kubota a little bit. And
Oh,
it was just it was really nice of them. They
was.
kind of doubled up. They brought out the tractor
yes.
and brought a rep from Kubota Canada. I mean, Harry can't be Harry.
No.
Harry's been here before. We're really, really pleased that they showed up, and it's nice to know when you have the support of Kubota Canada and also the support of Newfoundland Kubota Limited. Darcy has just been an angel to us. It's unbelievable. He's been the actual backbone of our success. You know, it's
Absolutely.
great when you
Yep.
have one company supporting the other.
Isn't it?
It's unbelievable. So we thank the guys for taking the time out of their busy schedule and dropping. Harry's from Nova Scotia, and of course it's a busy time of the year for everybody. So just to somebody take the time to deliver another tractor for us and also mingle with us for an hour or two.
That's right.
Hey,
Everyone's time is precious.
everybody's time is precious, but these guys are top class people, and of course they represent a quality product that, you know, as far as we're concerned, there's no better product on the face of the earth when it comes to tractors. So guys, just wanted to give you a little glimpse of what goes on. We're still working on the new extension. We're, regards of operating it, in the new year we'll be actually out there working. It's actually, it can be worked now, but we're kind of doing some unique things to it that we'll show you later on. I think you'll be very surprised what you're going to see. So thanks again to Kubota Canada and Harry for coming out. Thanks to Darcy Tucker from Newfoundland Kubota Limited for all the support you've given us all year, and also for bringing out the 6060. I know we have a lot of 60 owner series tractors out there that really want to see what we're going to do with this. So this one's going to be here for a little while, and we'll make the best of it. We'll be back before Christmas Day to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you then. So you guys all take care. Have a great week, what's left of it, and we'll see you the next time around. God bless.